Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy tickets on the Big Bus Tours application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the buy button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and here you can find tickets. So first of all, you should check out the available options here. If you tap on this arrow button on the right side in the middle of the screen, you can see that you have classic ticket, premium ticket, Big Bus Everglades experience, night tour, deluxe ticket, and so on. As you scroll down, you can check out what it includes. Then you can see the price. After that, you should select the quantity. And here, tap on the book tickets button down below, set the date of travel, then the start time. Tap on checkout now. And then you will be able to finalize the process of purchasing your tickets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.